Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about interpretation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So before we do first the derivative, so we can put the power number 2 for the both sides to cancel the square root. Later that we can do first the derivative in here. This one we have 2u. This one that is about 2x. Next, we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, we put number 0 gone here, and we got about u equals to the square root of number 2. When s equals to the square root of number 3, so I will put this one gone here. So we have 3 plus number 2, we have number 5. So u equals to the square root of number 5. Number 0 we change for this one. This one we change for the square root of number 5. This one we change for u. S we change s ds we change for u du. So u and u we have u square. And I will put 1 over 2 go outside. The integration of u square, that is about u to the power of 3 over 3. And then we put the bounds. So we have the square root of number 2 gone here. The square root of number 5 gone here. So we have the final answer. So I will put this one gone here. And this one gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.